The first chakra, where is the first chakra? For females, it is at the posterior of the cervix, at the beginning of the reproductive organ. For males, where is it? It is in between the anus and the scrotum. Okay, now, in between there is a space called perineum. It is there. Now, there is certain qualifications or qualities of this chakra at the base. If this chakra is not activated, there are certain issues. If it is activated, then the issues are solved. The first chakra or the Muladhara is associated with the feelings of security. What is this feeling? The feeling of being secure. If the feeling of being secure is not exhibited, the opposite will come. Quite easy. Security, insecure. The person who is insecure will move from one place to another. Correct? They will not feel grounded. True? They will not feel grounded. They will have to move to one place. They will move to another place. They will physically move. Same with their lifestyles. They may get married and then have a problem and then divorce and then get married. If they are not married, they will have one boyfriend and a girlfriend, and then after that they will have another girlfriend. Continue to seek some form of security. Or they will try to find security in their career. If they cannot find security in this particular career, then they will go to the next career. They won't understand why they are changing careers. The psychological aspect of this seeking is because they feel insecure. They will have one child and they have another child and then still feel insecure and trying to have, or trying to have no child at all. So these are the things, these are the characteristics associated with the Muladhara chakra. By working on the Muladhara chakra, we will feel secure, and it's a very important feeling, to feel secure. No matter what you have or you don't have, if the chakra is not strengthened, this feeling will persist. So the meditation on chakras is very practical. It is not associated so much with spirituality. It doesn't seem like spiritual experience, right? When you talk about security, because when you talk about meditation, we are supposed to feel what? We are supposed to feel oneness with higher energy. But I am talking about something very simple, very basic. But does it make sense in our life right now? Do you think this will be good to have? This quality of feeling secure? Then some people will say, if I feel secure, if you awaken this, if I awaken this, if I build this energy up to feel secure, then I will not have the motivation to pursue other things. They will say, if you make me secure, I will feel contented. I will feel contented. When I feel contented, I don't want to do anything. I feel so secure, I am happy with this, I don't have any ambition. Has it crossed your mind? Or did I put the seed into your mind? Actually there are other chakras which will overcome this. First thing is to feel grounded, to be secure. And the way of doing it in yoga is through a form of meditation. The yogic way of meditation is dynamic. Is what? Is dynamic and flowing in relation to the nature of the mind. What is the nature of the mind? It needs to move. Just like now, you are seated here. Do you feel comfortable? No, definitely. You want to move, isn't it? You want to move, you want to do something else. You are multitasking. You want to do a few things. That is part of our nature. We cannot criticize it. It is part of our nature. So, the practice of meditation in yoga, it flows. It flows with the natural tendency of the mind. The mind is very dynamic. We need to move it very dynamically. Clear about this? Right. So now, we will start with a short practice of meditation on the Muladhara. Then we go into Swadhisthana, then the different chakras. Alright? So you can assume a comfortable position. Again, lean against the wall. If you feel tired, you can stretch out the legs. Some are already sleepy. It's good. It's time to slowly close the eyes. It's called Mula Dhyana, meditation on the Muladhara. Now, before we start, I want to make sure you know where the Muladhara is. Otherwise, you will be meditating on my Muladhara. It's supposed to be your Muladhara. If it is difficult, then this is what I want you to imagine. Go to the pelvic floor, right? And then bend the left heel, and then push the left heel until it comes to contact with the body. That place can be a trigger that you can visualize. No? The left heel, pull until it is in contact with the body. Understand that? Or otherwise it could be just at the reproductive organ. Clear about that? Okay, now stretch out your legs and relax. Place your hands at the back and lean against the wall. If you want to lie down, you can lie down. Okay, now place your awareness at the base. The eyes closed. Just bring your awareness below the spine. At the end of the spine, the lowest part of the spine, you have the tailbone, just go below it. That's where the chakra or this Muladhara is. Just fill the space. And then you will inhale deeply. Inhale deep, slow, and exhale deep and slow. The sound vibration of the center at the base of your spine, at the pelvic floor, is called L-A-M. Lam. L-A-M. Now all of us will say this every time we exhale verbally and feel the vibration moving towards the pelvic floor. Okay, everyone inhale. As you exhale, low note, Lam. Bring your awareness to the Muladhara, right at the bottom of the pelvic, below the spine. Inhale. And exhale, low note, Lam. Feel the vibration towards the Muladhara, right at the base of your spine, below the spine, at the cervix. Inhale, exhale, Lam. Feel the vibrations resonating in the Muladhara. Inhale, Lam. Inhale, Lam. Just be aware of that space, that point, Muladhara. Be acutely sensitive to that chakra. And then bring your inner mind deeper inside and visualize the image of a huge grey elephant. This is the symbol of the Muladhara. Huge grey elephant, symbol of solidity, security. The elephant, symbol of strength. This elephant has 7 trunks. See them clearly? Trunk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Visualize yourself sitting on the elephant. Now, flash a yellow square. This is a yantra of the earth element. A bright, simple yellow square. Yantra of the earth element. Now, be aware of the sense of smell. Merge your mind into the bright yellow square. Move into it. Bright yellow square. Bright yellow square. Within the square is a red inverted triangle, which means it's an upside down triangle pointing downwards. A red inverted triangle pointing downwards. This is the triangle or the yantra or the geometric design of this great energy called the Kundalini Shakti, the great creative dormant force. Red triangle in an inverted position. Inside this inverted triangle is a smoky oval shaped structure. A smoky oval shaped structure. This is called the Shivalinga, the symbol of the unconscious. On this oval shaped structure is a serpent, a black cobra, coiled 3.5 times on this grey, smoky, blackish linga, or the symbol of the unconscious. Its head, the head of the cobra, is pointed upwards. The tail is pointed downwards. It's coiling and uncoiling. It's a bit restless. Now leave that and expand your vision. See the Muladhara as a deep red lotus with 4 petals. Slowly the lotus begins to turn. The 4 petals going round and round. Spinning lotus, whirling red vortex of powerful primal energy, rotating. Feel yourself being drawn into this spinning whirlpool of energy. Merge into it at the pelvic floor. Feel its vibrant energy pulsating through you. After some time, allow this vision to spontaneously fade away. Become aware of your natural breath. Be aware of the surroundings. Take a deep breath in and then chant Om. Take a deep breath in. Om. Take a deep breath in. Chant Om. Lie down for a while. Lie down for a while. Keep the eyes closed. Lying down will allow the body to absorb the energy. Stretch your arms and legs. Give yourselves a nice, gentle, pleasurable stretch. Now bend the arms, place the fingers, the palms under the head. Bend the legs, Inhale, exhale, bring both knees, both legs to the right, face then to the left, stretch, 1, 2, 3, inhale, up, exhale, legs to the right, face to the left, and stretch, 1, 2, 3, inhale, back to the center, exhale, legs to the left, face to the right, and stretch, 1, 2, 3, inhale, up, legs to the right, face to the left, and stretch, 1, 2, 3, inhale back, and slowly sit up.